Kajunaki kamaha saptami puja kalas dang hinnya kesengi ka arpulai terik urisau aja arpo hakari berok wei kentu bru hakajala Meghalaya. Kani kajuraki kelas dang hakapor mistep haki mandir ki ashram bar ki pandal blashna da ki shinong ki thau hakajing i shongkun. Hakajala Meghalaya ya kani kajuraki la pulong ringkar ke jingbut perking bat renti ya ki kendon katanat ka koi kakhia. Wala ka taru la bansaki ya kajuduna ki riunget Hindu ki bawan ki mandir bar ki puja pandal. Laban kedua hang ni balashna kumbah nyopo teli ki puja pandal hakadong ba shalong.
We make an appeal. Fervently, we make a request to all cross-sectional people of the state to maintain the peace and tranquility during the ensuing festive season. So, in this regard, I am issuing a press release. I'll send to you. Please give a coverage. Due to the recent incident, unpleasant incident for which we are not at all responsible. So we are making an appeal because this is a religious body without making any comment against anyone. So just we want to appeal before all. So for the preparation of the puja, it is there will not be puja will be there. Only 23 that pandals will have idols. Rest will perform the puja on earthen pot. This is called ghat or kalsi. And there will not be any decoration. That simple decoration, because no decorators have come from the outside. Drum beaters will not be there. Scatterly 2-3 puja committee will have a drum beater. Dhaki jo hai. CPC has cancelled his get-together ceremony. I am very sorry that we could not organize due to pandemic situation. The CPC that maintaining coordination with the district administration as well as the district police administration, and we are getting all sort of cooperation from them. And that we are lucky enough. We got a good batch of officers led by our Ms. Lalu, Deputy Commissioner, as well as our SP Sahib, SP, City SP, that SDO, SDOP, SDPO, and other Sahib, that we are working with them. We are very happy that they're taking care of all aspects of the puja.